Hi besties, welcome back to another video. Today we are making some soya beans kebab. Let's get started. We are going to need soya beans. This is our main ingredient and we want to sort out to take all the bad ones away. And this is what we have right here. We are going ahead to wash this thoroughly. You can wash this as many times as you want until everything is clean and clear. This is our first wash and we are going ahead to wash it for a second time again. Now let's go ahead and transfer this into a bowl with a cover and then we set it aside for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight because we want it to become soft and also double in size. After the next day, this is what we have right here, and we are going to strain this water out and then we wash it again before we go ahead onto our next step. Now let's transfer this into a blender and then we add some water and blend it until it's all smooth. If today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. If you enjoy this video and you like to see videos like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, let's go ahead and strain it because we want to separate the milk from the chaff. It's the milk we want for this recipe and we do not want the chaff. You can use a cheesecloth or you can use any fabric that you feel that the chaff will not go along into the bowl with the milk. We want the milk only. So take note, it should be a fabric that will be able to hold the chaff and then keep the milk. So this is the milk we have out of that and we transfer this into a pot. After we see it bubbling, we are going to add our white vinegar or lemon juice, but this is a white vinegar and it forms this cheese like something you see right here, and this is what we want to achieve. Now we are going ahead again to strain the water from the cheese like thing you saw, that is the tofu. We are going to strain the water from it because that is what we want to use for this recipe. We do not want any water inclusive, we just want it dried. Now we are tying this and then we are going to put it into a strainer and add some weight to it in order for the water to be able to penetrate through the strainer very well because we want it dry. We do not want any water in it. After a few hours, this is what we have. You could see it is very solid as compared to what we had earlier, something like this. Now we are going ahead to cut this into our preferred shapes and sizes, just like this. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome once again and thank you so much for always clicking on my videos and supporting this channel. Don't forget to share and also click on the like button if you are enjoying this video. After we cut this into smaller pieces, we are going ahead to add some water in a bowl and add some salt to it, and we are going to soak these soya beans for a few minutes and we go ahead to fry them in hot oil until they are golden brown, just like this. After we get our golden brown color, we are going to take them out and add some chopped garlic and onions. Now we are going to add some tomato paste to this. I will stir until it's also well cooked or dried and we add some water to it to lighten it a little since it's a bit thick. So if you want to achieve something like this, we go ahead to add some pepper, Maggie and salt to this and we add some curry powder. Now let's add some kebab powder. This is the main ingredient. You do not want to miss this side. You want to add some kebab powder to it. And without the use of oven or charcoal grill, we are going to just make this perfect. Now we are putting in our fried soya beans, which will leave on the fire to simmer for a few minutes, and we introduce our vegetables. In this, you can use any vegetables of your choice, but I used what was available at the time, which were tomato, onions, and some green bell peppers. We'll leave this to simmer for a few minutes, and then we go ahead to just put it onto a plate, which you can eat it just like this, but I prefer to put it on this skewer stick so I can be able to enjoy it just like the authentic way. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell notification icon, share this to your loved ones so they also learn something from this channel. Yes. And this is what we have here. We are going to add some kebab powder to it so we'll be able to enjoy these. And you can enjoy these with your cold drinks, also some water. You can add this to maybe your rice meal and then you would love it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, please stay safe and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye.